Sit tall, lengthen through your spine. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to your right. Keep your shoulders soft. Let the ocean calm your breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. There is no rush, just breathe. Come back to center. Inhale, left arm up, bend to the side. Inhale and exhale. And switch side. Right arm up, bend to the side. Open your chest. Relax your shoulder. Slowly release. Come on to hands on your knee. Cat and cow. Inhale. Arch your back. Look at the sky. Exhale, round your back, rock your belly. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, round your back. Moving at your own pace. Let your breath guide your body. Imagine your spine like a wave. Nothing to fix, nothing to push. Just slow movement and steady breath. Shift your body forward into plank position. Lift your hips up and back, come into down dog. And plank position. And down dog. And moving at your own pace. Core is engaged. Look forward. Jump or walk to your hand. Inhale, forward hold. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Step your foot back, plank pose. Inhale and exhale. Lower your body. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Look forward. Jump or walk to your hand. Forward fold. Inhale, roll up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Step your feet wide apart. Turn your toes slightly out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your knee, hand to the heart center. Keep your knee tracking in the same direction as your toe. Extend your legs. Inhale, left arm up, triangle pose. Open your chest, look at the sky. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. And switch side. Right arm up. Stack your shoulders. And hand to the mat. Top over your head to the mat. Interlace your finger behind your back. Lift your arms up and over. Relax the neck and let the head hang heavy. Inhale and exhale. Slowly wake up, come into yogi squat. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips down, hand to the heart center. Press your elbow gently into your inner knees. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. And seated position. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.